Blackberry.com.
Alright, so who are you and what do you do?
Hey, I'm Tom Emmerich from App Promo. We are an application strategy and marketing and promotions firm, and what we do is we help app owners and app developers increase their app discovery, which ultimately will help them get money in their pocket. So what we do is we help on the both bookends of marketing with app owners and app developers. We focus on strategy, so we come in early before the development cycle occurs to help them understand the audience, do some market analysis, do some competitive analysis. Really, we want to ask the hard questions up front about why are you building this app and is it valid? And is there an appetite for that application in the market? And we help with the pricing strategy as well. The reason why we want to do this up front is because when it comes to launch, we want to make sure that you're set up for success. We then work with our clients on the tail end of the cycle where we work with them on launch campaigns and other marketing campaigns in the maintenance cycle to make sure that this application has a chance to succeed. Oftentimes what we're finding is that an application is developed and it's sent into the App Store, and the developer or app owner thinks that the App Store is going to be the be-all and end-all for marketing. And although those are really set up to help these individuals gain some visibility for their application, the app environment has become so saturated that you really need to look to other marketing opportunities to really set yourself up for success. So that's where we come in. We come in and we help with PR and blogger outreach. We put together a campaign that may include social media, paid media. It may include optimizing some of your web properties and looking at your search engine optimization. And we put together custom campaigns for our clients to really help them meet their objectives and succeed. What we've noticed, though, however, is that not everyone can afford a marketing campaign or a marketing agency. And so what we are starting to do is package up some tips, some tricks, some tactics and tutorials. And so we've started to create these applications called the App Promo app, which are content-based apps that allow for education and tools to be given to app owners and developers to leave them with a sense of inspiration and just somewhere to start when it comes to marketing, so that they can read things on the app and then go back to their desk and start to play around with these things to get a little bit more familiar. So App Promo really at the end of the day is really here to help app owners, app developers, small, medium, large, doesn't matter, really succeed in this marketplace, because when it comes down to it, at the app world, it's half technology and half marketing to succeed.
Excellent. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Grabber makes data collection peripherals that work with all the Blackberry smartphones. We do barcode scanning, mag stripe reading, fingerprint reading, RFID reading, passport reading, etc. We do them either as single technologies or as multiple technologies. This is a single technology, 1D barcode scanner, signature capture. This is a multiple technology, 2D barcode scanner, mag stripe reader, contact card reader, fingerprint reader, passport reader, RFID reader, all in the one device. This is currently deployed with a major government department in the United States, catching bad guys.
Very nice.
We also do a specific version made just for Blackberry, which looks like an extension of the Blackberry, which is barcode scanning and signature capture, and also leaves the Blackberry cameras exposed.
Very nice.
We plug into the USB port on the Blackberry, so our data transmission from Grabber to Blackberry is hardwired. It adds to the security of the Blackberry and makes it very, very acceptable to government departments and to others.
Very nice.
That's what we do.
Excellent. All right. Thanks for your time, guys. Appreciate it.
Hi, my name is Mike Stern, and I run the business development team at Extreme Labs. We're a mobile application development company and mobile strategy. This is our 4th year at Devcon. We're very happy to be here. And what we do is build custom native mobile applications across all the different devices. So we work with Android, Apple, of course Blackberry, Windows Mobile. We're starting to get into the tablet space and even the smart TV space too, which is really cool. And the type of clients we work with are some of the leading brands across North America in the media sector, financial services sectors, health sectors. So some brands that you've probably heard of are CBS, CIBC, Fandango, Match.com, and we really benefit from being able to get deep into the native layer of these devices and build really compelling, feature-rich applications that help our clients really build ROI out of these mobile endeavors. So we're able to provide the clients everything from the strategy and consultation service that we provide into the design, development, QA, being able to help them submit their apps to the app stores that support them afterwards as well with maintenance and support. If you'd like to find out more about our company, visit us at extremelabs.com. That's XTREMELABS.com. And my name is Mike Stern. You can reach out to me directly at mstern@extremelabs.com. Thanks a lot.
Hi, I'm Heath. I'm the CEO of iSpeech. We do text-to-speech and speech recognition. We have an SDK for Blackberry and some other platforms as well, all the major platforms, where we allow developers to use it for free. We also have APIs, direct APIs that developers can use to integrate text-to-speech and speech recognition into their apps. We support 26 languages, and we also have other technology that's embeddable that we charge for, but the SDKs that we offer are free.
We are Marmalade, and we have a native cross-platform SDK that now supports PBX. And what it means for developers is that developers can build using our SDK and deploy a native binary across to iOS, Android, and PBX. No need to recompile, no transcoding, no virtual machining. So you get really, really high performance on all devices, and you get to be able to tailor your application for them when you have that. So we're here, following announcing support for PBX, we're bringing a whole portfolio of Marmalade content across onto the device. Super cool title, which is Cut the Rope, which is coming soon. Very successful title, not played particularly well by yours truly. I can't talk and play at the same time. Oh dear, what do I do?
That's where the device is different. Yeah, that's because we have to go native to every well, because we already
So it's kind of intro video, I'll skip over that. So,
we take care of that part, so once you're on it,
American football game built in the UK. And here you've got to go and mash the guy.
You have to kind of look to see because they put up. But basically, there's a simulator, it'll look like the iPhone, for instance, and you can test it and make sure it's running with the controls.
Physics are really well done in this.
And it really is all through the system that you're able to do.
So what Natural Motion did is they ported their animation engine, Morphine, on top of Marmalade, and that enabled them to use the same kind of animation technique that they're using on PlayStation and various other console platforms to give the kind of graphic performance you've got on here.
So is it their idea?
And this is Lara Croft. It's kind of going through its intro video at the moment.
Okay.
But these two in particular have not been, they're not final commercial release yet. So basically what we've done is we've taken the Marmalade build and just clicked deploy to Playbook. We've done nothing else whatsoever. Normally, so the next step we'll do is a little bit of fine-tuning, just make sure the UI is working perfectly, put it through a QA pass to make sure that it's everything. So that hasn't been done yet. It's really an illustration of how easy we make it to take super high-quality content into this platform. So we're really working with the content teams at REN to help on the platform with lots of good content.
Perfect. All right. Well, thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
Blackberry.com